Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the difference between the start function, the update function, the awake function, and the fixed update function, or you can call them methods if you want to. Alright, pretty much all the awake does is it loads stuff before the game starts. So you could set num equal to 1 before the game really loads everything up, and then you can just do this. So right exactly when you push play, num is going to equal 1. Alright, and I kind of explained start in the earlier video, but it is, again, right at start, it's going to give something a value with num2. So num2 equals 1.2. It's pretty self-explanatory for start. Alright, and then update is a continuous function. It's going to happen pretty fast, so you usually use your inputs, like your keyboard inputs for your character movements through inputs, and your, I don't know why it says wait for, but your fixed updates, you usually use your physics. We're not going to get into that. But so we'll put a debug dot log open parentheses and your quotations num3 is close your quotations, and then add your plus sign to add the variable with it. So you add num3, close your quotation, your parentheses, and then click your semicolon to end it. So it's just going to print out num3 is 1.3 a lot. It's going to watch. It's kind of crazy. So go ahead and save it. Alright, go ahead and click play. And click collapse on your console. And you'll see that num3 is 1.3, and it's going up. It's crazy. It's already been called 1,000 times. So really, inputs used for update functions for your character movements. Let me stop that. And I forgot to debug the the num2 and the num. Let's save that. And rerun it. There you go. So num is 1. It did it one time before the game loaded everything up. And then at the start, your num2 is 1.2. Did it one time. And you can see that the update function is still going. Now, if we do the same thing with the update function, we copy and paste it into the fixed update, it should run a little bit slower than the update function. Let's see. So you have a differential, but it's actually going faster. That's kind of weird. Let me redo this. One second. Or give it something different so you can tell. So, okay, so it actually calls the fixed updates first before the update function. And so you can tell that the fixed update is just a tad behind the numbers of the update function. It's a little bit slower. So recap, await function is before the whole game loads up. So it comes first. The start function is once everything's loaded, the game actually starts. Update function is continuous and use it for your input, like your gamepad or your keyboard. And you got your fixed update. That's kind of like the update function, but it's a tad slower, and so you use your physics with it. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I think I kind of made it a little bit confusing, but on to the next. Thanks.